Right, so it's been running for 15 minutes. I've turned these two isolators off, and then supposedly you just unscrew this, jimmy this bit off here, and take it out.
Okay.
Right, so that's 15 minutes.
Wow. Well, you'll be emptying this every day at this rate.
Well, it's an old heating system, so be emptying it. It'll clean up eventually, but that's just the gloop on it. And it's a Sentinel Vortex 300, just fitted. Hopefully it'll continue taking all this
Rubbish off.
gunge, but that's basically just microscopic metal, because there's a magnet
In there.
that bit there, that magnet pulls out, but if I pull that magnet out, that'll all
that
fall
lot
off.
falls off.
But
So how do you dispose of the rubbish?
just rinse it down the sink, it'll go away.
Oh, right, okay.
I mean, there's obviously it's just like dust, it's not big lumps. As soon as you take the magnet off, that just goes back into like just dirty water really. But this is such a strong magnet on here that it just draws it all in.
Clever stuff, so
Yeah, so hopefully
the system will work better.
it'll be clean.
Right, there we are.
So that's it all clean. I took the magnet out, and then the stuff just washes off. And just drop the magnet back in, push this back in and put the cap on. So I'll put it in and you can record it all in one. Yeah?
Yeah.
Filled all the caps in.
Yeah,
So
I
you've
saw
got
that.
to get some. You got any carpet in the house?
I think we have got some carpet. I don't know if it's in the house. It might be in the Martin shed.
Right, so we need to get a bit of carpet.
And
Obviously this bit will be easy, then you just cut out for these, doesn't need to be exact under
Yeah.
there, but obviously it'd be nice if it all fit